get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a wig review from Beautyforever hair. They sent over their body wave wig. This is a pre-cut unit. This is a 6 by 4.75 lace frontal. It's 22 inches and it's the natural color. It has 2 clips on the side, a clip in the back, and this is an airnet wig, meaning that it is very breathable. You see I can stick my finger through it, so this is great for the summer months. And it has an adjustable elastic band on it, which is removable if you want to. I'm just starting by putting on my black wig cap, and we're going to try on the wig like we always do. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You see the lace is lighter than my skin. Obviously the wig is pre-plucked, so the hairline look very nice already, so I'm only going to have to do one step for this wig. Oh, and by the way, this is body wave, y'all. This is the best body wave hair I've had. Like, the pattern of it is actually body wave. Usually you get body wave, it's not really body wave. It might as well be straight. So I'm tinting the lace with my even lace spray in the darkest brown color. And my wig caps, they sometimes be too tight, so I just cut a little slit in them. And now I'm going to put on the wig. I am putting the elastic band on first. I'm showing y'all how I do it, and then I'm pulling the wig up. If you want to, you can use the clips, but I don't really do that. So this is what the wig looks like now that it is on, and it matches my skin tone a lot better. Alright, so we're going to pull out the front pieces of the hair so we can frame the face a little bit. Now we are going to get rid of like the little humps in the front so that the wig can look more natural. I am flattening it using my hot comb. Okay, like I said, this is body wave hair, so this is how it looked, you know, straight out of the box. It already had some waves to it, and I'm pretty sure if I washed it, the waves would be even more popping, but I just want to apply it straight out of the box so I can show y'all how easy it is to install. Like, it already looks good, but I am just gonna go in with my one curler only in the front and like a little piece in the back, because I like the wave. I like the natural wave of this hair a lot. So usually when I get body wave hair, I will one curl the hair all over, but with this one I didn't have to, so I only had to do a little bit when it came to styling this wig. All right, so I'm all done styling, and I'm just going to like finger comb the hair out so the wave can match the natural wave. And yeah, that's it. That is the install, y'all. This install was so easy and so simple. Oh, off camera I did like add a little bit of powder, like my powder for my face, so that the lace could match even more. So look how light and airy this hair is, y'all. Like, it is so movable. The waves are just so nice and airy, and they just look really good. It's like beach waves, body wave. And it is glueless, completely glueless. I did not have to use any spray or anything on this unit, y'all. I was a little shocked. I was like, oh my god, it looks so good. Like, look at it. Okay, look at it. Oh, there you go. It's up again. Let me stop. I'm playing too much on this voiceover, but y'all, it's like, okay, they did that with this glueless wig. So I'm just showing you guys again with the comb that it is completely glueless. So yeah, if you like this wig, definitely check out the links in my description. Thank you so much, Beautyforever Hair, for sponsoring today's video. This wig is a winner, y'all. Check it out. The links are down below. As always, I love you guys, and